How to remove bank debit card from Revolut. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove bank debit card from Revolut. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Revolut application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Once signed in, you will be led to the home screen of Revolut. Now first, tap on the tabs Cards and then tap on the card that you would like to delete. So, select the card and tap on the Settings option, and here, tap on the Terminate Card option. Now, in the pop-up that appears, it's going to say that this card will permanently be terminated and you will not be able to use it again. And it's going to ask you, do you really want to proceed? So, either tap on the Yes option or the Cancel option depending on your preference. So, this is how you can remove bank debit card from Revolut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.